from here. When we exhale, we slowly bend down, try to lengthening your spine and drop all your head to the knee. But remember I will show you guys how people do. People will forward this way. Forward, hanging like this. Forward, forward like this. Yes. Only not correct way. Then how to do it correct? It's very simple. From here, the key is try to lengthening your spine, open more the chest. Yes, you can wider your foot if you feel too much pressure, and slowly from here, tuck in your core. Try to open more the chest. Yes, and slowly bend. But from here, when you bend down, very easy to hunting your back. So the key is you can slowly bend your knee first. Try to stin your back shin straighten and drop your chest to the knee. And since the form is straight, put your hand down firmly on the mat. And from here, slowly press your foot straight. So you see you can forward fold with the straighten the spine. Yes, it's so much easy way to do forward fold.